So recently, I've watched a video from the Sidemen and I noticed that they've added this radial blur effect onto their intro. So I wanted to make this video and teach you guys how to quickly add this effect onto your videos in Premiere Pro. Let's go. Okay, so right here, I have a video on the timeline, and the first thing we want to do is head over to the effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Apply it onto your video, and after that, go to the effect controls panel, scroll down a bit, and under the Gaussian Blur section, adjust the blur to your liking. 80 seems good for me. The whole video is now blurred out, but to actually add the blur only on the edges of the video, activate the ellipse mask to create this circle. Check the inverted box so the blur gets applied outside of the circle, and basically stretch out this mask to the sides like this. And the key is to increase the mask feather significantly until the edges of the circle are smooth and clean. For me, 500 seems to be perfect. But yeah, that's how you create this effect. Leave a like if you found this very helpful. Subscribe to the channel and feel free to watch this next tutorial.